2025 Tata build quality, the rise of an Indian icon. Imagine a car that not only turns heads but also feels as solid as a fortress. A car that not only screams innovation but whispers safety and reliability at every turn. This is the story of Tata Motors in 2025, a story of transformation, leadership, and unshakable build quality. If you've ever wondered how Tata achieved the impossible, you're in for a thrilling ride. Don't blink, because what I'm about to share will completely change how you see the Indian automotive industry. Ready? Let's dive in. The foundation of excellence. In 2025, Tata Motors stands tall as a global powerhouse, but this success wasn't achieved overnight. It's a tale of relentless pursuit, of evolving from a brand often questioned for quality to one that defines strength and safety. And at the heart of this transformation lies a singular focus: build quality. Let's rewind a bit. In the early 2000s, Tata Motors was known for affordable, sturdy cars. But as competition grew fiercer and consumer expectations soared, Tata knew it had to level up. Fast forward to the mid-2010s, and they stunned the world with the introduction of cars like the Tiago, Nexon, and Harrier, models that redefined value for money. But even then, no one could have predicted the 2025 Tata revolution we're experiencing today. What makes Tata stand out now? It's not just about affordability or aesthetics, it's the build quality that has left global giants scratching their heads. Every car that rolls out of Tata's factories is a testament to their commitment to strength, safety, and durability. And it's not just talk, there's data to back it up. Global recognition for safety and quality. Let's talk about safety ratings. In 2025, Tata Motors isn't just meeting global safety standards, it's setting them. Remember the time when Tata's Nexon became the first Indian car to achieve a 5-star global NCAP rating? That was just the beginning. Today, Tata's entire lineup, from compact hatchbacks to premium SUVs, boasts impeccable safety ratings. But what's more impressive is how Tata integrates safety into the very DNA of its vehicles. Advanced high-strength steel forms the backbone of every car. Impact-absorbing crumple zones and rigid passenger cabins ensure maximum protection during collisions. And it's not just about surviving accidents, it's about preventing them. Tata's cutting-edge technologies like advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking make their cars among the safest on the road. This isn't just an Indian success story. Tata's build quality has caught the attention of global markets. In Europe, Australia, and even the US, Tata cars are being praised for their robust engineering. It's safe to say that Tata Motors has gone from being a local hero to a global icon. The engineering marvels of 2025. What exactly sets Tata's build quality apart in 2025? It's a combination of world-class materials, innovative manufacturing processes, and a culture of perfection. Take their new Omega Arc platform, for instance. Derived from Land Rover's legendary D8 architecture, this platform forms the foundation of Tata's flagship SUVs. It's designed to handle extreme conditions, whether it's scorching heat, torrential rain, or rugged off-road terrain. And then there's the Alpha platform, which powers Tata's compact and midsize cars. It's a marvel of modular engineering, lightweight yet incredibly strong. The result: cars that offer superior performance without compromising on safety or fuel efficiency. But Tata's obsession with build quality goes beyond platforms. Every nut and bolt, every weld and panel is crafted with precision. Their factories are equipped with the latest robotics and AI-driven quality control systems, ensuring that every car meets their uncompromising standards. Even the interiors are a testament to Tata's attention to detail. Soft touch materials, ergonomic designs, and premium finishes make you feel like you're sitting in a car twice the price. But don't let the luxury fool you, every element is built to last, from the door handles to the infotainment systems. Listening to the customer. Here's the secret sauce behind Tata's success: they listen. In 2025, Tata Motors is one of the few automotive giants that genuinely values customer feedback. When customers complained about panel gaps in earlier models, Tata didn't just fix the issue, they overhauled their manufacturing process. When buyers demanded better sound insulation, Tata introduced advanced noise-dampening materials. And when safety-conscious families wanted child-friendly features, Tata delivered with ISOFIX mounts, rear seat reminders, and more. This customer-first approach is why Tata's cars feel so well built. They're not just designed to impress in showrooms, they're engineered for real-world use. Whether you're navigating chaotic city traffic, cruising on highways, or tackling off-road adventures, a Tata car feels like it's built just for you. Sustainability and build quality. In 2025, build quality isn't just about strength, it's about sustainability. Tata Motors is leading the way in creating cars that are as kind to the planet as they are durable. Their electric vehicle lineup, spearheaded by the Nexon EV and Tiago EV, is a game changer. But it's not just about electrification, it's about how these cars are built. Tata uses eco-friendly materials like recycled plastics, bio-based composites, and water-based paints. Their factories are powered by renewable energy, reducing their carbon footprint. And here's the best part. Tata's commitment to sustainability doesn't compromise build quality. In fact, it enhances it. Sustainable materials are not only better for the environment, they're also more resistant to wear and tear. It's a win-win for everyone. The emotional connection. There's one more reason why Tata's build quality feels so special, it's personal. For millions of Indians, Tata isn't just a car brand, it's a symbol of trust, pride, and resilience. Think about it. Tata Motors is part of the Tata Group, a conglomerate known for its ethical business practices and commitment to nation building. When you buy a Tata car, you're not just investing in a vehicle, you're supporting a legacy of integrity and excellence. This emotional connection is what makes Tata cars stand out. Every time you shut a door and hear that reassuring thunk, every time you drive through a pothole-ridden road and feel no impact, you're reminded of why you chose Tata. It's more than just build quality, it's peace of mind. Conclusion, the closing impact. In 2025, Tata Motors isn't just a car manufacturer, it's a movement. A movement that's redefining what it means to build cars in India. A movement that's proving to the world that Indian engineering can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best. Tata's build quality is more than just a technical achievement, it's a promise. A promise of safety, reliability, and durability. A promise that no matter where life takes you, your Tata car will always have your back. So the next time you see a Tata on the road, take a closer look. Because beneath that sleek exterior lies a story of grit, innovation, and unshakable quality. And in 2025, that story is only getting started. Thank you for watching, and remember, quality isn't just about what you see. It's about what you feel, every time you drive. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe for your daily dose of automotive excellence. End the video with a strong call to action encouraging viewers to share their thoughts and experiences with Tata cars.